Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about InfoCell's cloud-based application iCloud Gold Finance software. It's completely cloud-based application, purposely used for gold finances. I mean pawnbroking shops. So, if you need a demo means you can log in into goldfinance.infocell.in. Gold Finance, GOLDFINANCE, goldfinance.info.in. And for username and password, you can call our technical team. Here, the numbers are visible here. If you call means they will provide a separate username and password for you for demo purpose. Right now, we are going to discuss about a normal demo panel. So in that panel, our team will provide you a username and password. Using that, you can enter into our panel. So here you can use multiple companies. If you have 3 branches, 4 branches, 15 branches, or if you have single branches, whatever, you can use multiple branches here. So with our username and password, while you log in into our panel, you can see the smart dashboard. It's only visible to a super admins. In the smart dashboard, you can see uh, total number of active pledges and the total number of closed pledges and actioned pledges and your principal balance, such as you have provided 10 lakh loan and you have received 3 lakh as a principal. So what is the balance principal with the customers and the cash in hand amount, repledge amount? That means you are getting you are giving a pledge loan with the same jewel you are repledging it into any bank or NBFCs. So what is the number of repledges you done? So closed repledges and today pledge done and today repledge done. So like the basic informations you can see in smart dashboard. This is only for super admin. If your staff log in into the panel, they can only see this simple dashboard. That means what are the entries done today. So number of pledges today, interest receipts today, release today, repledges today. So today dues, if you're doing any EMIs, so they can only see the simple dashboard. So if you have multiple companies, you can change the companies or you can see the group reports. That means you can merge all the 15 branches or 5 branches and you can collateral and do check all the reports. So first, simply, here is the employee management. Here you can add a employee attendance, salary, and everything. In new employment section, you can create your employees. Under this, we have given more privileges. Super admin can access all these data and all the reports and accounts. Office all can only see the daybook in accounts. They can't delete anything, and collection or telecalling only see the reports. So likewise, we have given some privileges. If the employee need all company or single company license and the login time from to, so we have given in the particular time only staff can log in. So simply I will do a pledge. That means I will create a loan and I will make a receipt and I will show how the reports will affect. Okay. So first of all, uh, creating the loan in pledge entry create. So here see, you can see the a number of schemes. So before creating the pledges, you need to fix your schemes. So what are the schemes you are going to provide? The scheme fixing is in master scheme. So here you need to fix the scheme. That means you just provide the scheme name and it's a gold scheme or silver scheme. And what is the interest percentage? It's 1.5 or 2.5 or 2. And value in gold. That means the gold rate is in 5,000 today. You can give 80% of loan amount. If the gold rate increase or decrease, the loan value will automatically increase or decrease. It will automatically done. So reduction in gram. In some pawnbroking shops, if the gold is non 916, if they given 10 gram of weight, so some people they will reduce 10 percentage in gram weight. That means they will only provide loan for 9 grams. So like that, if you need, you can reduce the grams in the scheme. And validity in months, 12 months validity, and interest after validity. Actually before interest is 1.5. If the validity crossed, if after 12 months you can increase the interest as a 2.53 or anything. So this is the calculation in scheme master. And monthly once, 1 month one calculation. And interest taken on loan. That means while creating a pledge, the first month interest is taken or not, yes or no. If you place yes means the interest will be taken in the loan period. And pre-loan charges, pre-closing charges, or processing charges. Processing charges, some people may do 1% or 0.1%, or else some people we make us 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. So whatever you need, you can create schemes. So like the way, whatever scheme you need, there is no limitation. You can create n number of schemes. So after creating scheme, just go to pledge entry, create. Here you can create the loan. That means pledge. So first select the scheme which is customer required. So here I am just clicking info G. So select scheme. After that, enter the customer mobile number. So if the mobile number is already exist, the data will be autofill. If it is not exist, you can refill the data and you can do all the things again. If the customer is came again, means the data will be automatically refilled. Okay. So click next. Here the customer jewel loan number, the gold rate today is 5575 and loan value you can provide up to 4460. Here you can reduce the loan value and select the jewel type. It's a ring. Number of jewels, it's a hallmark or ordinary. Total weight is 12 grams. Stone weight, if any, 2 grams. So any other things again? Yes, it's a baby ring, 1 numbers, and its total weight is 3 grams. There is no stone weight. So whatever the things you can just update here, automatically the value will be calculated. So value of the jewelry is 72,000 something, and you can provide loan up to 45,500 rupees. And the pre-interest, that means 1 month interest is taken already 910. So after minusing this 1 month interest, you can giving amount should be 44590. Okay, the 1 month interest is less in the loan amount, and every month he need to pay 910. So here we have also provided EMI option. If any customer need EMI, you can provide EMI also. So the customer is asking the 45,000 is enough now, or else I need 47,000. So whatever you can update in loan amount part. The updation is already noted in boost up amount. They can't change. I mean, that means your staff can't change this boost up amount. So you can easily note down that the amount is increased or decreased. Whatever you can easily note down. Then click next. Here you just take the picture of the customer and a picture of the jewelry. So after taking the picture, you just click finish. So your pledge copy will be shown. So whatever the design you need in this pledge copy, you can redesign with our team. Here we have provided a barcode. Okay, the barcode video I will attach in the final. If the customer scan this barcode, means they can easily get their pledge copy, or they can easily pay the interest. So that means without mobile app, they can easily scan and pay their dues. Okay, we have made the loan successfully. So after that, if the customer came again, and he is paying some interest, means search. Here you just made a loan number or party name, mobile number, whatever. So you just provide, means it will show the data with photo and everything. So what things he made, a ring and baby rings and loan date and his loan amount and his total weight. So interest received is nothing. So everything it will show. So this is making receipt. This is for editing the ledger. This is for full settlement, and this final is for full view. That means the complete view of the loan. So I'm just clicking that. Here you can see the jewel image, customer image, loan date, and everything. If you need to reprint the pledge print, means you can print here. If you need to reprint the interest notice, means you can print here. So as per your local language, we will change everything. And if you need action notice, means you can print here. So every option is set here. So here you can check that. So what is the scheme numbers and everything you can check. If the customer is paying the due, means you just click this print button here. So the due will be automatically calculated. If the date is 7/6, means it's 30 days. So 1 month interest automatically calculated 940 rupees. If the customer is paying any part amount as a interest, I mean in a principal, means you can pay 7,000. He is paying principal amount, means so automatically. If the customer is next time came, means his payable interest value will be reduced, because he have already paid the due 7,000. No, so total loan amount is 47,000, paid principal is 7,000. So interest per day will be automatically reduced. So whatever the payment the customer is part payment is paid, you can adjust here in the principal part. So if the customer is releasing his loan, means you can click this into mark. Here the customer can easily release their loans. Here the total principal balance and the total interest balance will waiver here. So we can easily get the total amount, and we can easily close the loan. So if we click this, means so in this way you can easily settle the payments. Okay. So next we can check about repledge. Repledge is nothing but we are giving loan amount with the same jewelry. We are repledging it into any banks. So you need to enter the banks in this master. So we have given this bank. So if you enter means in pledge entry, repledge entry, create repledge, it will show the bank details. Select the bank you are repledging. You just give the customer's pledge number. The name and the details will be automatically fetch. The loan number will be automatically fetch. So here you just made a interest amount and principal part and repledge number. So in the bank loan number and in which name you are repledging that particular jewel. So everything you can note down. You can do multiple entries in a one sheet. So after that you just save and print. So repledge also succeed. So and voucher entries are here. So for the accounting purpose, you need to add all your accounting voucher names in this master ledger under capital account, direct expenses, direct income. So whatever the names you need, actually is a completely accounting software, tally based software. So finally, whatever the result you need, it will be result will be in tally format, so that you can add any and each and every formats in the tally names, ledger names. Okay, so after adding here, you in voucher entry create, here you can create payment entries, receipt entries, contra and everything. And finally pledge pending list and repledge pending list. Here after refreshing the list, you can see the pending list with multiple filtration options. That means 30 days to 90 days interest pending, or 1 lakh in pending, or principal amount of 5 lakh to 10 lakh pending, or interest amount 5,000 to 10,000 pending, area wise, whatever you need you can search without any filtration. You just click means it will show all the pending data. So all this report you can copy or download as a excel, or you can print it. In the same way, you can get repledge pending list. That means interest payable. You need to pay to the bank. So that list also you can get. And finally, pledge reports. Here you can see n number of multiple reports. That means loan crossing jewel rate is nothing but you are providing a loan when the jewel rate is 4,500. Suddenly if the jewel rate decreases means, so what are the loans in dangerous part? So there is a loan crossing jewel rate and all pledge list, and which is active, which is closed, which is action 1% representation, that means 1% interest report, and yet to action which has crossed their expiry date, and bill report, interest payment report, part payment bills, so which is nothing but the customers paid their part payment, principal amount, interest amount, like that. And stock report, smart collection report. It's a very attractive report, which is nothing but in a particular financial years how much loan we have provided and how much principal we received, how much interest we received, everything it will show paka. In the same way it will show the I mean that graphical view also, that you can see in a smart dashboard itself. In the graphical chart, it will easily show that. So what is the principal received and interest received? So pledge amount we have given which month very strong, and in which month we have received a lot of interest. So everything it will show in a graphical manner. So and then you can see the report like login history, pledge wise amenities, and principal balance and interest balance, which is very most useful. That each and every customer how much principal they have in with their hand, and interest balance report. In the same way, all the report we given for repledge also. In accounts, it's a completely tally-based accounting. So day book and trial balance and balance sheet, P&L, everything it will show with opening to closing balance. So day book, statement is a beautiful report that show each and everything in a simple manner. And accounting statement which will show with denominations. You can close your accounts in the account closing part. Here you can enter the denominations daily. So with this denomination, you can check everything, accounting statement here. That means what are the credits and what are the debits, what are the closing balance, everything you can easily access here. And balance sheet, trial balance is completely tally format. A P&L report is also in a tally format. So everything has been displayed properly, and you can send your year-end notice, action notice, whatever you need, you can send. And whatever customization you need, we can easily customize it. If any SMSs or voice calls for your customers for reminding their interest payables and remind their action notice period, so everything you need, you can easily do it. And whatever the customization calculations as per your need in scheme wise or everything you can do. And it's a completely cloud-based software. We will provide admin mobile app also, so you can utilize it, and whatever the customization need, we can do it. So what any other queries and related support or demo, you can contact our team. So our contact details, everything has been given in a description. You can call us, and our website is www.infosol.in. So any other things you need, we can do it. And we are also doing management softwares like auto finance, gold finance, daily weekly collection, chip software, microfinance software, Nidhi limited softwares, NBFC softwares, and mortgage loan softwares. So any other queries, we can contact our team. Thank you.